Hi, good morning everyone. Today is the 19th Monday. I have stayed one night in Youth Hostel Montreaux. So as I have to take early morning train to Interlaken, Golden Pass train via Stad. So you can see this is breakfast area. So breakfast is included in my package. So these are all teas, different teas, milk, sugar, and this see the excellent coffee machine. See how neat they are maintaining. Excellent. This is Switzerland. So it is cups, glasses. See how clean it is. It's tea and coffee. So then here cool drinks and water. For this we have to pay, self pay. So no person is here. So just we have to pay and take the bottles. So these are glasses. See how clean it is. So this is kitchen. So just he is preparing breakfast for us. So this is bread. These are plates and this is different organic muesli, yogurts. So yogurt, natural yogurt. This is butter, another butter. So this is jams, and this is cheese. See the kitchen, excellent, very neat, maintaining like 5-star standards. These are natural foods. So this is non-veg, bacon. So this is cucumber, corn, and other boiled eggs, and this is toaster. So after breakfast we have to put our tables and cups, cutlery, everything here. So and this is cornflakes, milk, Swiss milk, and kettle to heat the water. These are different cornflakes. See how excellent it is. So this is breakfast area. I will just show after this. And this is juices and water. Sorry, not juices, different water. And these are spoons, forks, tissue papers, everything. Here we can have breakfast in this area. See how beautiful it is. So they maintain 100 high standards. One of the best standards in the world, Switzerland. See the architecture, just lighting, the arrangements of light, neat. We can't even find a small, dust anywhere in this room or anywhere. See the tables, chairs, and the design of chairs. This is just breakfast area, and this is a playing games room, small games room. Also outside also we can sit and eat. See how beautiful it is. So just outside area, but it is summer, it is very good, but still we are in spring. So that is just railway track. We can see all trains going. Picking out from this hostel, beautiful, excellent hostel. So now it is 9 a.m. I have a train at 9:43, but I have to take a bus and it is 20 minutes journey. So I have to take these steps, unfortunately, with my luggage. I have to go up and take a bus, see the beautiful flats in Montreal. This is Montreaux. I took steps, almost 30 steps with my luggage, and I am waiting in the bus stop. Bus is at 9 past 9. So it takes 20 minutes to the train station. See the beautiful Montreaux, just close to Montreal Lake. Excellent, and close to Lausanne, close to Geneva, 1.5 hours from Geneva. 20 minutes from Lausanne. I took that bus yesterday evening, and came from station and got down at this bus stop. I am taking same bus but a different direction. Now I am going to station. My bus to Montreaux is coming now, Montreaux station. So it takes 15-20 minutes. I have a train, Golden Pass train at 9:43 to Stad, Interlaken. This is the bus. See how beautiful it is. This is Montreaux. we call it Montrex, and French people they call Montreux. Locals. You can see the mountains, snow mountains and lake. See the flats, beautiful flats. See, if you come in February month, so entire those mountains will be covered by snow, and even lake will freeze. But it is will be very cold, and even trains and roads covered by snow during that time. So we feel it difficult to navigate or travel. Big building. I think this is one of the tallest in Montreal. See, this building was constructed in the year 1888. See, still it is looking beautiful, excellent. Roman Mayor. Supermarket, Mulla. This is library. This is our pharmacy, pharmaceutical shop. This is shopping mall. Again, you can see again lake. Beautiful, very large lake. This is lake promenade. Next stop, Escaliers de la Gare, that means Montrex train station. So it's a different station, that's why there's different name. But I have to take escalator to reach. I got down from this excellent trolley bus. So this is my station, Escaliers de la Gare. So yesterday I took this bus at the same stop, and now I got down at the same stop. So it's a bit of escalator and walk to Montreal station, train station. So my train is at 9:43. First I will go to Stade. I spend maybe 2 hours in Stade, and then I go to Interlaken. So Stade is a place where Dilwale, like DDL, Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge movie shooted by Yash Chopra. Take this escalator. Yesterday I came using these stairs. It was bit stairs because I had to lift my luggage, but today it's fine. I have an escalator. This is Montreal station, so you can see all the beautiful buildings. Montreal is called Montreal station. So I am entering into the Montreal station. So I have a train, I told you, at 9:43. So it's a beautiful building. You can see my train is at 9:43 AM. This PE 30. So we go to Fontainebleau, Chunks, Stade, this way. So platform 6, 9:43 AM. So now the time is 9:20. So I have 23. So you can see platform 6. I have to go straight. Platform 3 and 5 left. You are native of Mumbai?
Yeah.
Okay. Hyderabad. This is a beautiful cafe in the train station, and is a vending machine, but we have to pay and buy things. So he is the one from Mumbai. He came here to attend his reunion after 25 years. ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.